Hi everyone, welcome to a new video, and this video is the part 2 of the Morningstar MDP Associate Role exam questions. Okay, so in this video I'll share with you guys the questions for typing test. Okay, so now let's see. So in this video what I'll discuss the question for the typing test. Now this is the passage, and okay, and note you will get a questions, means you will get only one single question. Okay, you get the 6 minutes time for writing this passage. Okay, and your main target will be to write as much as possible of the passage. Okay, basically they will provide you one like text box. In that particular text box you have to write this passage. Okay, so while typing this passage you have to remember this, you have to cover as much as possible, okay, of this passage. And secondly, you have to write the correct like words. It's not like while you are typing you like accidentally typing this important, like you have removed this m, means there is a spelling mistakes, right? So you have to avoid this kind of mistakes. Okay, so I think it will clear to you. Actually you have to make a duplicate passage of this particular given passage. Okay, so I think this is clear to you. Yeah, that's all pretty much from this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you still have any doubts or like any questions, you can share with me guys in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer if it is possible. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.